Well, some of the cloud computing concepts, definitely. But the other part is that you've got a new version of SAM coming out, and I'm most interested in seeing what that's going to be like.
Educational technologies are key, and we're hoping to bring back something new for our students.
Specifically MindTap.
Many free apps. According to Corinne Hoisington, what did she say yesterday? I forgot her phrase already. She'll kill me. Free and fabulous. Click, click. Okay. There you go.
I was very inspired by the speaker, the whole why thing. I mean, sometimes I feel like, well, why should I have to tell them why? But he really made a good case for it.
I think probably what I'm going to take back the most are some of the apps for the tablets and smartphones.
Probably the cloud computing, the iPad itself, yeah.
Well, I just finished a session on cloud computing, and I was real interested in that because I was just like the speaker said, we think of Google Docs as cloud computing, and now I know it's just a whole lot more.
Using the cell phone, the smartphones in the classroom, I think I'm really getting very excited about that.
I did take one of the Certiport exams. I took one earlier today that I passed. I took it because I wanted to know what was on it so that I could present that to them, because I talk about how important it is for them to take those certification exams, and so now I can explain why they need to do that.
I think more practices have used, we use all Cengage materials, so I think it's less about deciding on materials and more learning processes and approach to using them in the classroom. So the Cengage is the easy part of the decision. The hard part is then how do you make it work in the classroom?
Some good ideas for digital, incorporating them into my digital literacy course. I think that they have some good ideas of critical thinking that I could impart in those classes.
But the big thing that I've gotten so far is that every session kind of builds on each other. So pulling one from a topic from one is hard to do, but combining them is what I'm seeing.
I learned about all kinds of websites and different things, but I think the thing that struck me the most is how different teaching is now compared to what it was and how far behind we really are.